Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Juliet. I would like to explain how to use a code pen. A code pen is an open source editor that can be used to write code and practice code as well. You can use it to write your HTML, CSS in JavaScript, Bootstrap and the likes. It's very easy to use for beginners before you move to a more complicated code editors. You can use codepen to practice, and when you feel you're comfortable with it and you want to start like building apps you want to showcase, I would suggest you then move to VS Code. But first, when I started learning, I used codepen. It is easy to use, very fun to use, helps you like it makes the whole process easy. So first off, when you sign into a codepen, how you will know you've signed in is your name will be showing here. For instance, my name is showing here, which shows I'm already signed in. If I want to use a pen, you come here and click, you will find a new pen. If there is a profile pics, if you added a profile pics when you're signing in or when you're signing up to the pen, your profile will be showing here. And when you click it, you can view your profile. So here you can view your profile. You can as well add your profile picture, or you can move to the projects you have built on that is saved here. So now when you want to start working or start a new project, you can click on new pen. It will take you to a very clean pen that have not been used, and maybe want to write the title of the work you're doing. For instance, maybe we are trying to learn how to use codepen. Learn how to use codepen. All right, so this is it. It's already saved. So this is the title of this code pen, and when you save it, it will be saved in your project space so you can see it when you look. So when you start typing your HTML, CSS, everything you build will be under this code pen. Okay, so when you want to change the view, maybe, and now if you want to change the view, maybe you want to change how the view looks. When you click here, it's showing this way. Our browser is here and our editor is here, so you can switch it up. The editor may be on the top and your browser will be down, or you can switch it the other way. The editor will be this way and your browser will be here, depending on how you want to use it. Okay, if you want to view the editor in full, you can click here and you will have a full view of the editor. All right, and if you want to view of the browser, and if you want to view the editor, you can click here and view the editor. There are a lot of things to do. If you want to like this particular code pen, you can click here and you will love it. If you want to save it, you can as well save it. Okay, if you want to make your code pen private, you turn it off here, but this is for the pro users. That is for paid people who pay for their code pen. And mind you, most times when you make changes to your code pen, it may not show unless you turn on the auto save. If not, you may need to click on save button each time you make a change. But if you don't click on the auto save, anything you write will not show. If you want to delete the code pen, this is where to click, and you will confirm that you want to delete the pen, and you will here click I understand and delete your pen. Okay, and for instance, if you want to fork a particular pen, let's say this is my work, and this particular work, CSS tutorial, I want to make a copy of it. Maybe you went to someone's, you get a link to, if you get a link to my code pen and you want this particular code I've written here to be showing on your code pen, what you would do is you fork it here. When you fork the code pen, it will be changed to your name and you will have it in your code pen. So, and even your name on the URL will change as well, your username. So when you want to fork someone's work and take it to yours, maybe you want to edit it, you want to fork it and continue editing it from yours, you can fork it from here and you can edit it as well. There are lots of cool stuffs to do with codepen. Here, if you want to add the title, if you don't want to do the title from here, you can add the title from settings. Okay, you can add the title from settings. You can as well add a description for people who are new to your codepen tutorial. You can add a description here and you save it, it will show. So there are lots of cool stuff. Make sure you explore it, and you can as well share your codepen. If you want to copy the link to your pen, you will come here and make a copy. Now you've copied it, and anyone who gets the link to this pen can work with it. If you as well want to share your work on Twitter and Facebook, it's possible through codepen. There are lots and lots of things to do with codepen, and here this is the console. If you are writing your code and you encounter any error, maybe there are no changes going on, you have some error. Console is what you will use to debug what the problem is. When you come here and you open the console, it will, if there are errors, it will write the errors here. You will be able to debug what the problem is, why your code is not acting the way you want it to act. It will be shown on this error. So there are cool things to do with the codepen. Is a very cool editor for beginners who are trying to venture into code. Is a good starting point to get your hands dirty with coding before you move to a more complicated softwares for coding. All right, so hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions on how to use the codepen, please don't hesitate to ask me, and please comment and share this channel so that we'll grow and be able to form a community of people who are trying to learn, who are trying to improve their skills on coding. I'll hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.